Thank you very much.
Alex,
Yes.
how will the minibus make a difference to the school?
The bus can carry about 30 people.
Okay.
Yeah. And we are thanking you very much for what you have done.
Good. We hope it'll make a big difference to the school. And people from England have generated sort of money to buy sports things. Will you be able to use the tennis balls and the footballs? And we have some educational posters here which the teachers can put up on the wall in the school, so we hope those will be very useful for you. And from here we'll get some good students who will go on to be leaders in Tanzania and achieve big things for the country. So we look forward to coming back here in a few years' time, seeing how it's progressed.
Thank you very much.
On behalf of Tuishime Primary School, as the manager and the owner of the school, I'd like to say a word of thanks to all what you have done to us. I think everything you have brought to us is useful to us. We are using these things in mathematics, teaching mathematics, and you have brought for us balls, so we'll be having football and netball, and we have these small balls for handball and basketball, and we have a new game which we don't have in our school, and I think before going you will teach us how to use these things.
We'll show you how to do that.
And we don't know what to play is
Rounders.
Rounder. We are going to play rounder, and I think you'll teach us before you go back. We have this box. This used to jump. We know how to jump, so we'll be using it skipping. And this is charts. We are going to use these charts on the wall to teach. Instead of drawing, I think my teachers are going to use these wall charts.
Our teachers, ooh, our teachers, what a wonder you are. We love you so much, our teachers, what a wonder you are. Our teachers, ooh, our teachers, what a wonder you are. We love you so much, our teachers. So much, teacher Bibi, what a